Hey YouTube, it's Erin with the Handbag Housewife back again. I am here today to do another unboxing, and this one has me just a tiny bit concerned. I mean, look at it. You can actually see the dust bag, and surprisingly, the dust bag still looks clean. So I'm just gonna open it this way. No need to use the special tool to open it, because why not just rip the box open, which is incredibly thin and easy to do. Surprisingly, nobody else decided to do that ahead of me, so I lucked out on that front. So we have another extra small Longchamp. Let's see if I got the right one. All right, what is she? Ooh, uh-oh. She's a little bent up. She's just a little bent up. Let's see. I think she'll be okay. But she did get a little bit smashed over here on the corner. She is called IVORY CROC top handle tote. And she is pretty. She has a crossbody strap inside, and I do love the color. I am a little bummed about how she shipped, but the only area that I'm really seeing any imperfection is right up here where it's kind of crumpled, and that'll probably be okay. I think that'll probably work out. The color is called chalk, but in the description it's also called beige. So I think it could go by either term. The hardware's silver. Well, let me open it up and see if I can find the strap inside. Yes, there it is. And again, these straps that come with the leather ones, they are not adjustable, but that's okay because I like to use the chain straps anyway, and I would use a silver chain strap with this one, or perhaps a new pearl strap that I got. So anyway, you'll have to let me know what you think. You think she's a winner? Would you be too terribly upset about this little deformity over here? I think with a little bit of nice massaging, she'll straighten up and be okay. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you soon. I've got a big one in store for you tomorrow. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.